Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So guys, I'm here to react to, basically this is the first video on Joel from the group CNCO. He's no longer a part of the group. The last day for him and the last time he performed with them was May the 14th. Unfortunately, I missed that event because I was on a plane flight coming back to my town. So this is a video to a song called Gracias por Cambiarme la Vida. So I don't speak Spanish, so I'm gonna let him sing it in his song. Let's go. So sad.
Estos últimos 5 años y medio han sido un sueño hecho realidad.
I wonder if he's with the same management team.
Nunca olvidaré todo lo que logramos y aprendimos. En cada país que pisamos nos recibieron con los brazos abiertos. Gracias a ustedes, las fans, pudimos vivir nuestro sueño y compartir lo que amamos con ustedes. Uno en esta industria no tiene la oportunidad de ver mucho a su familia, pero naturalmente nosotros construimos otra familia.
Oh, it's not a song, it's a reaction. Oh, I thought it was a song. Okay, I would take that too.
Seremos hermanos.
They could release a DVD. Do they have any DVDs? I don't think so. I don't when I look up CNCO, I don't really see any DVD, like a tour DVD or anything. This would be a nice DVD to put out for the fans. I think this would be very nice. I will buy it. I would buy it. Oh, Richard looks so good right here. Jamaicans.
Para siempre.
Yes.
Siempre tendrá mi apoyo y sé que la van a romper. Ahora es tiempo de enfocarme en lo mío. Estoy muy contento de poder compartirles mi nuevo proyecto. Esto es un nuevo comienzo de una montaña rusa épica que nunca va a parar. Hasta pronto. Los quiero. Gracias por cambiarme la vida.
Okay. Joel, it was a pleasure meeting you in the group CNCO. It was a pleasure. You did bring a unique dynamic to the group. I won't sit here and lie to you. All 5 gentlemen together really was significant to what the whole CNCO about. It's to me personally, I think it's very unfortunate that you leave in the group. I wish you could have done the group and your solo career, but I wish you the best, and this was very nice. So I'm curious to see what you have in store for us. I can support both, don't mind, and I think you're vocally talented, very attractive dude. You can do it. But like I said in my previous video, you know, it was a 5-year mark. Sometimes I was sitting here wondering, to be honest with you, I was thinking which one of the members would leave the group first. I'm not talking about them bad or anything, but usually when it comes to a group, after like 5 years, it's like somebody leaves the group, somebody split apart. But I hope they could do something together again. Wow. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, please feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.